Tonight, health officials in the Carolinas are warning people of even more possible measles exposures. We've got a look here in Charlotte, Mecklenburg County as well. Public Health issuing a measles exposure notice for the following locations and times on February 3rd and 4th. So we're seeing Atrium Health Carolinas Medical Center on there, a local Chipotle on South Kings Drive, and 2 local Goodwills. And so the South Carolina Department of Public Health is also confirming tonight there's a new exposure site now under investigation. Multiple, actually. WCNC Charlotte's Miles Harris has more on what families should know.
State health leaders in South Carolina say the latest measles exposure involves school settings. The South Carolina Department of Public Health is sounding the alarm with the total number of cases related to the upstate outbreak reaching 933.
This is not normal. This is unprecedented.
Based on the new cases, DPH has identified public exposures at Libertas Academy and Inman Intermediate. Data shows that over 400 of these cases includes kids between the ages of 5 to 11, and more than 90% are people unvaccinated.
That we now are the top in transmission in the country. None of this is normal for South Carolina. And it tells us that we have a great deal more work to do to stop this outbreak.
North and South Carolina health officials tell us that they are now sharing data and tracking potential exposure.
We have been able to connect with them some and just discuss kind of the strategies that they have in place, and they've talked over what they're seeing with us, so we have had a couple of opportunities.
While cases aren't rising as quickly in South Carolina as they had been, Dr. Linda Bell, the state's epidemiologist, is reminding people that measles is highly contagious and can spread rapidly in close contact settings.
So this is really not the time for anybody to let their guard down and say, this is over with. We continue to encourage people to get vaccinated until we are sure that this is going to be over.
And state health leaders say that they'll continue to monitor and update the public with any new confirmed cases and urge anybody, if they're unsure about their vaccination status, to get in contact with their health provider. In Fort Mill, I'm Miles Harris, WCNC Charlotte.